Hi everybody, this is just going to be a quick flip through of my Butterfly Beauty digital kit turned into a junk journal. It'll be listed on Etsy in our shop, the Dodd Group. Here's the back. It's a fabric cover. It has Amazon packaging inside, so it's got that bubbly feel and nice sound to it. Not going to take out everything, but there's a pocket on the front. Some cardboard, some Tim Holtz stuff here you'll recognize, different embellishments from the Butterfly Beauty Kit, and I'll have some other stuff in here. And there are, let's see, you'll see a few My Porch prints, and we'll just see what happens here. Let's see. Got some tickets, Tim Holtz doll, wings from the kit, altered card, plain card, Tim Holtz photo. Okay, I'll get through here. Some more ephemera. Cards, lots of just pull-out papers that are just tucked in everywhere. A lot of vintage Victorian poetry from a vintage Victorian poetry book. It's a pretty thick book, so I feel comfortable using a lot of it through here. This is from a doll appraisal book. A little bee, but I thought the color of the bee matched this color here. Some more ephemera. Lots of little writing places hidden throughout. Lots of collage. This is a French paper receipt. I'll put the link to that kit from someone else in the description. I think this is My Porch prints. I think that is too. Lots of places for you to add your own collage. Cards here, 3 or 4 little strip cards. Little butterfly. Plenty of room to add more stuff. Some cards in here. This is from a watercolor how to paint Japanese art book. Little pad of paper here. Several cards here. Those are some My Porch prints and Tim Holtz things you'll notice in the collage. And this pocket is from, I think, CA Dreams. This flips over, a couple of tags in there. Almost done. Another attached pad glued to a foreign language book page. And that's it. All right, thank you very much.